How we doing today, guys? Jason here with Midwest Coyote Pursuit. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nocpix Bolt L35R. This is the 384 with the rangefinder. I'm excited to get this thing opened up and take a look at it. I got the plastic off of it already. Any IRA Nocpix 384s have always blown me out of the water with the clarity on them, so I don't expect anything less with this. Without further ado, let's get this thing open. Alrighty, we've got our Bolt L35R Nocpix here. It's the first time opening up the box. Let's take a look. Nice welcome message there. Thank you for your purchase. Looks like it's got a pretty nice carrying case here. Nothing else in the box. Opening up this case here. First thing that we see is our instruction manual for the Bolt series. Got some stuff in this top pouch here. Got some zeroing heating targets. Your lens cloth. Nothing else up top here. Those heating targets are really nice. I know a lot of guys that just use hot hands. They work. And here she is. All of her glory. Box here. Got a logo on the side for your charger and all that good stuff. We'll open it up, just take a look. So it's got the docking station in there with the cord. And then we got a couple batteries here on the side. Nocpix batteries. They are just the 18650s that run this scope. Comes with two of them in there. And we'll open this up. It's got the eye relief on there. I really like those. Not a lot of guys do. Rangefinder up top here. Pop open the side here, and your battery goes in there. Very tight right out the gate, which is perfect. Throw your battery in there, you're ready to roll. Very lightweight unit for being the thermal. I know the Bolt series are kind of your more typical looking scopes, but yeah, overall very lightweight. Good unit. And on this side, it's got the port to plug in your C charger. So if you run off a battery pack, you can do that. You got your buttons up top here. Your menu button, your power button, your range, and then your pictures or videos. We'll get this thing charged up and we will see what the clarity looks like through this.
All right, looking through the scope here, just kind of looking around the back of my property here. Very good scope. I mean, for 384s, that's incredible, especially when it comes to these Nocpix IRA series. Going through the different color patterns. A lot of different choices on the Nocpix side. Of course, white hot's my go-to, so I really like that. Zooming in here. With the zooming in, it is the knob on the top of the scope. Twist it all the way around, it zooms in, and then to zoom out, you just twist it back, which is a different feature than what I'm used to, but it's pretty cool. Again, this is a 3.5 by 14 zoom, and if you want to pick one of these up, reach out to my buddy Wade over at 365 Thermal. Check out our discount code, MCP10. He's got a lot of great products. But yeah, it's a great unit. And we'll get back and get the rest of the review. Overall, this Bolt series Nocpix L35R is lightweight. It's a great unit.
very clear for being the 384, which I'm not surprised. Nocpix and IRA always has incredible clarity in their scopes, even 384s all the way to 640s. Haven't tested any of the bigger ones out yet. Hoping to in the next year or so. But overall, great unit. If you want to get your hands on one of these, reach out to 365 Thermal. My buddy Wade runs that. Great guy, amazing customer service. Our discount code for that is in the show description below. And one big announcement I have before ending this video, we are putting on our second annual coyote calling tournament. That will be in November. I'm going to save all the details for our Facebook page. So check out our Facebook page at Midwest Coyote Pursuit LLC. Subscribe to us here on our YouTube. Check out our podcast, Talking Yotes. Make sure you check out all my boys, the heavy hitters. Colt with Coyote Academies, Kyle with CNP Outdoors, of course Wade with 365 Thermal. Reed has now started his own page. He's still pro-staffed here with Midwest Coyote Pursuit, but he goes by the North Central Hunter on Instagram and Facebook. He puts out a lot of great content as well, so make sure you check all those guys out. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and appreciate everybody for watching.